Hello kids, today we would be discussing computer hardware components part 5. In this today we will be discussing various type of output devices. Now first, what is an output device? Output device is a device which would show the output from the computer to the user. Now through the input devices, a user would have given information to the computer. This information would be processed by the computer and the output is then produced for the user to view with the help of any of these output devices. Output devices may generate an output in the form of hard copy, visual or audio. If you are using a printer, it will give you the output in the form of hard copy. If you are using monitor or a projector, it gives you output in the form of visual format. And if you are using speaker, it gives you an output in audio format. Some of the most important output devices. First is say monitor. It is the standard output device and the most commonly used. It creates a visual display which can be seen by the user. The data which has been given to the computer is being processed by the CPU and the output is shown to you on the monitor. Monitors come in various size and resolutions. It is also known as VDU or Visual Display Unit. What do you mean by resolution? There are several small colored dots called pixels and picture is generated with the help of these pixels. Smaller the size of the pixel and more the number of pixel, the resolution is said to be higher. Some common type of monitors are cathode ray tube, it was used initially, liquid crystal display LCD monitor and LED monitor, that is light emitting diode. Printer. Printer is also widely used. It is a device which generates a hard copy version of the processed data. That is, you can get photographs, you can get the hard copy of the documents or whatever you have saved in the computer or whatever you wanted the computer to work on will be generated as an output. The computer transmits the image. That is, if I want to get a image or if I want to get a picture in a hard copy, the image data is sent to the printer and printer will convert it into a physical copy or hard copy. A printer can be connected using a USB port or nowadays you can get Wi-Fi printer also. Next is, what are the different type of printers? There are two type of printers, impact and non-impact printer. An impact printer, the head of the printer which prints, the head of the pin which prints comes in the direct contact with the paper and it forms the image on the paper. A inked ribbon is placed in between the pin and the paper and when the pin is hammered on that inked ribbon, the letters are printed on the paper. There are different kind of impact printers, daisy wheel printers, dot matrix printers, and they are also called as character printers, non-impact printers. Here the striking device or the pin does not come in contact with the paper, but the characters are produced either by spraying the ink or by making a laser move through ink and then letters are imprinted on the paper. Since there is no direct contact between the pin and the paper, they are called as non-impact printer and they are quieter. The quality is also better. When you want to get an output on big screen or a wall or any flat surface, then we use projector. We use it in a school classroom for teaching. It is used in meeting to show a presentation. It can be used in cinema theater. A higher quality one is used in cinema theater, etc. This is all for the output devices today. Next we will be discussing about storage devices. Thank you.